Morning everyone. Today, me Parag is going to give a small presentation on topic industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Although industries contribute significantly to India's economic growth and development, as something that has advantages have some disadvantages also. This development led to industrial pollution and degradation of environment. There are major four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, thermal pollution, and noise pollution. First, have a look at air pollution. The smoke emitted by the industries that pollutes the air badly, which causes air pollution. Air pollution is caused by presence of high proportion of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Airborne particulate materials contains both solid and liquid particles like dust, spray mist, and smoke. Toxic gas, toxic gas leaks can be very hazardous with long-term effects. For example, Bhopal gas tragedy. Air pollution adversely affects human health, animals, plants, buildings, and the atmosphere as a whole. The next is water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into rivers. The main culprits in this regard are paper, pulp, chemical, textile and dyeing, petroleum, refineries, tanneries, and electroplating. These industries that let out dyes, detergents, acid, salt, and heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticides, fertilizers, synthetic chemicals with carbon, plastic, and rubber, etc., into water bodies. Fly ash, phosphogypsum, and iron and steel slags are the major solid waste in India. The third one is thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from factories and thermal plants is drained into river and ponds before cooling. Waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear and weapon production facilities causes cancers, birth defects, and miscarriage. Soil and water pollutions are closely related. Dumping of waste, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industrial effluents, packaging salts, and garbage renders the soil useless. Rainwater percolates to the soil, carrying the pollutants to the ground, and the groundwater also gets contaminated. And the last type of pollution is noise pollution. Noise pollution not only results in irritation and anger, it can also cause hearing impairment, increased heart rate, and blood pressure, among other physiological effects. Unwanted sound is an irritant and a source of stress. Industrial and construction activities, machinery, factory equipment, generators, saws, and pneumatic and electric drills also make a lot of noise. Now, we have to focus on control of environmental degradation. So, let's study first about government measures. Use of non-pollution compressed natural gas (CNG) only as a fuel as by all buses and cars in India is introduced by government to control environmental degradation. Compulsory mixing of 20% ethyl alcohol with petrol and 20% biodiesel with diesel. Make electric vehicle compulsory for all. Make compulsory PUC, which is pollution under control, certification of petrol-driven vehicles with tests for carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Some special programs like Clean India Mission, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, has been launched. And here are some suggestions to prevent the degradation of environment. First, minimizing use for processing by reusing and recycling it into two or more successive stages. Second, harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Third, treating hot water and effluents before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treatment of industrial effluents can be done in three phases. A. Primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocation, and sedimentation. B. Secondary treatment by biological processes. C. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical, and physical processes. This involves recycling of wastewater. And that's all. Thank you, everyone.